Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the theme of the conversation on the Messenger app application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option. Then you should select a person and click on your conversation. Tap on his or her name at the top, and then scroll down till you find this theme option in the customization section. Click on it, and as you can see, there's a vast variety of themes, such as cyberpunk, non-binary, support music, pride, stranger things, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you prefer, and here you can see the preview of that particular theme that you have chosen, and click on the select option if you are interested in it, and you have the chance to select your emoji as well, which is the default emoji. You can select any of these. There's a bunch of options here, so tap on the relevant one that you prefer, and basically that's also, if you go back, you can see that both the theme and emoji have been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.